Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Lawrence speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, I want to order some food.
Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes, I already see it.
Okay, may I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Moises John Encarnacion, and my room number is room 127.
Thank you for that information, sir. I'm Mr. Moises of room 127. May I take your order?
I want to order coffee and muffin.
Okay, sir. Would you like macaroni soup?
Yes, please.
Anything else, sir?
That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Moises of room 127. May I repeat your order? You ordered coffee, muffin, and macaroni soup. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Is that okay, sir?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, sir. Your total bill is 250 pesos. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Charge in my room.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else that can I help you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Room service. Here's your room service order. Sir, may I come in?
Yes.
Hi, sir. Would you like me to set up to your table or leave it to the tray?
Put it.
Okay, sir. Would you like me to open your curtain to brighten your room?
No.
Okay, sir. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call room service department. I'm going back to clean your soil dishes. Okay, bye.